Pare!
Tignan mo, mamin ka rin.
Oh, parang siya.
Laya pa yun. Pumipitik na yan.
Airfred to number 55.
Oh, 60. Ito, coach lang.
Ayaw niya kasi gusto niya sa kasang daw na maglaro.
Parang pupunta.
Wala naman tayo yun.
Oh, yos! Yes! Ayos!
May lakad ako.
Sino ba kayo? Mamaya, 60 over to eh. Next tayo.
Next tayo. Umano ng bago mag-alas 11, uwi na eh. Ayos lang yun. Inampay, may lechon eh.
Bakit? May tumitingin lang ako. Baka lang
Wala din dyan ng lechon eh. Ilan lechon nagawa mo dyan?
Chip Curry.
Lechong manok pala.
Galing.
Galing ano? Antay-back. Mag-registro ka pa pala.
Two, back shot. Wala, Tim Duncan. Two, 0.
What's the time clock? Are we gonna do the time clock, bro? Coach!
Huli.
That's 60. 50 ya.
60 Huba. Hindi yan si Jasper. Hindi maglalaro si Jasper.
Hindi maglalaro.
Lakay! One foul, Lakay! Lakay! Score is 2-0. Lakay! Foul!
Ano, ready ka na?
Foul.
At 2! At 3! Last time cross! Tego! 2-0!
Sige, try ko makabalik. Para mapanood ko kayo.
Long Beach ball. Long Beach defensive. Missing it.
Promise!
Number 5.
One foul! Hey, bro, who's foul?
Number 5.
Ross foul!
Ross. First
Line up,
foul.
line up! 2!
2 free throws coming forward. The Long Beach team. First
Yes!
free throw is good.
Okay, jumper ready, line up! What's the lane violation? Time out!
Time out.
Carson, iyakin eh, oh. Wala lang eh.
Ano gusto niyo, Jackie Stone?
Ayan na si Baeng!
Ito.
Malalaro. Hangover.
Chubaeng.
Baeng, bro.
Hindi, inom eh.
Organized.
Okay, coach! One shot! One shot!
Okay, meron na tayong timer. Teka lang, hintayin lang na po natin. Siniset up pa.
Commercial muna, commercial! 2-3, ano?
Score.
2-3!
2-1. 1.
Bato ka na! Walang magpapawin bola!
1 point lead. Carson Bowlers.
Donation ni Baeng, ha? 60. Isang bola. We just use that. Isang bola. Dito.
Nagkakaroon po ng konting sisiluhan sa bola kung anong gagamitin.
Sa bola wala.
Yung baseline. Perfect free throw. 3-2.
60.
Long Beach Bowlers, 3-2. James Kramer. Carson Carson Ballers on the offensive. To Lakai for 3. Missing it. Rebound by number 55. Still, Carson Ballers ball. Long Beach Ballers. 2-2. Need daw 3-2. Tied up, guys. Tied up. Alright.
Alright, 15 over
Number
next
56, Long Beach ball.
game. 15 over next game.
To number 11, our move. No foul. Carson ball. Being harassed by
Tira!
Long Beach. Montani missing. Our move, number 11. Missing it. Alright, Carson ball.
Next game, 50 and above. From
Next game,
Carson.
50 and above. Kuya Ross. Pass it to Lakai. Lakai to Kuya Efren. Looking for a teammate to pass. Pass it to Kuya Ed. Efren to Kuya Ed to Ross. Ross thinking of taking a 3. Decided to pass it to Efren. Efren directing the play. Pass it to Arnold. Back to Ross for 2. Missing it. Rebound by number 56. Long Beach on the offensive to Kyrie Irving. To Montani Gonzalez, number 9. Missing it. Rebound by number 56. Kalawit rebound. 2 points. 4-2. 4-2. Robbie, courtesy of Robbie.
Ang galing sa practice eh.
Long Beach. Italy.
Ang galing sa practice ni Marlon kanina eh.
To Kuya Ed. Being harassed by Montani. To Lakai for 2. Missing it. Rebound by Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving dribbling. Waiting for his teammates. To Robbie. Robbie dribbling. Pass it to number 56. Benny Panas.
Bigyan mo kay Lakay.
Carson ball.
Lakay, labas na!
Carson ball.
Ikaw bahala dyan, ha?
Right, Ross handling the ball. Pass it to Kuya Efren. Decided to take a 3. Missing it. Rebound by Kyrie Irving. Oh, traveling. Traveling. Too much excitement for Kyrie. Substitution. Open sub later, guys. Kuya Arnold dribbling to Ross. Ross being guarded by Kyrie. Lakai. What a spitfire. To Efren. Efren. Pass it to Ross. Ross for 3. Missing it. Kyrie Irving. At the ball. Pushing the ball. Turn around there. Missing it though. Oh, Lakai. Look at him. To Kuya Arnold. To Kuya Edward. To Efren. Being harassed by Montani. Montani to Ross. Ross to Lakai. Almost fumbled it. To Ross.
Akala ko ba long bits yan? Si Lakay.
Ed. Being harassed by 3 players. Back to Ross to Arnold. Arnold for 2. Missing it. Number 24. For the rebound. Dribbling. Dribbling pass at half court. Back to number 24. For 2. Missing shot. 6-2. Long Beach. On top. Is that a foul or what? Traveling. Foul number 24. Arnold to Ross. Ross to Ed. Ed being rest by 2 players. Back to Ross for 2. Free throw shot. Swish. 6-4, guys. 6-4. Long Beach still on top. Number 24 dribbling for the Long Beach Ballers. Back to Montani. Montani for 3. Missing it. Rebound by Edward. Dribbling. Decided to pass to Efren. Efren for 2. Missing it. Bad shot. Rebound by Kyrie Irving. Back to number 56. 2. Missing it. Rebound by Kuya Ross. Pass it to Ed. Ed. Being guarded by Kyrie Irving. Post up move. For 2. Good shot. Tied up, guys. Tied up. 6-6. Number 24 being harassed by Lakay. Lakay to number 56. To Mark Eaton. Loose ball.
Same ball.
Long Beach ball, guys. Long Beach ball. Number 56 to Magdani. Rebound by Kuya Arnold. $1,000. Ross using the pace. Back to Lakay. Lakay. What a swipe by number 56. Ross missing it. Rebound by Kyrie. Kyrie number 24. Number 24. Missing over to 2. Rebound by Efren. Post up. Swish. 8-6. 8-6. Sino yung player na yun? Marlon! Oh, what a rebound by Kyrie Irving for the Long Beach Warriors. Mark Eaton dribbling. Mark Eaton still dribbling. First teammates. Pass it to Kyrie Irving. Cha-cha. Kyrie for 2. 10-6. 10-6. 10-6. What's the call? Substitution. Time out. Long Beach Warriors. Time out. Long Beach Warriors.
Mario.
Stop the clock. Stop the clock.
Ang lamig-lamig eh, wag na kayo magtubig. Tubig, friend! Mario, sana. Tubig! Mouth to mouth! Ayun dali. Ayun sa taon na ron. Malupit, man. No, perfect. Corlon, ikaw ang favorite ng ano natin. Announcer natin. Makasabay na sa'yo eh.
Alright, let's play ball once again, guys. We still have another game coming up. 15 and above. Alright, you said some players. Carson Ball, Arnold, big freshman number 24. Arnold, Kuya Paeng. To number 24, Marlon for 3. Swish! MVP, Marlon! 36, guys, 36. Foul. Sino may foul? Number 11, Kyrie Irving. Two free throws for Kuya Ross. First shot is good. 13-7, guys. 13-7. Second is also good. Swish.
Alam naman natin.
Defensive.
50 and above, right?
56.
Two shots.
Two shots.
Foul.
First feature for Kyrie. Second shot is good. 14. The blunder, Kuya Mario is in the game. Kuya Bisoy, pass it to
Oh my God!
Rodi, missing it. Rebound by Kuya Bisoy. Bisoy.
Pang gym ko lang to eh. Bibili na naman ako ba kaya
Nice, Arnold!
nervous pa si Mang Kani.
These bowlers on top. Mark Ethan being guarded by Ross. Let's foul. Arnold. Audi. I know sino ang foul. Si Audi. First free throw. It's not good, guys. Second free throw. Not good. Missing it. Rebound by Arnold for the Carson Bowlers. Pass to Ross. Ross for the back shot. Missing it. Rebound by Audi. Missing it. Ross to Paeng for two. Missing. Rebound by Arnold. To Mark Eden.
Hindi mo kami no.
To Kyrie Irving. Each in the offensive guys. To Marlon. Marlon for three. Woo! Missing it. Rebound by Paeng. Kuya Paeng. Back to Bisoy. Bisoy being guarded by Omeng. Bisoy to Arnold. Arnold being guarded by Mario. To Kuya Bisoy for three. Missing it. Rebound by Arnold. To Bisoy. He's headed to to the blogger. To the blogger. To Marlon. Back to Mario. Body under goes down. Missing it. Stepping on the line, guys. 14-10. 14-10. Bisoy to Ross to Arnold.
Wala pasok na yan ah. Meron.
Arnold to Paeng for two. Missing it. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon outlet pass to Marlon, the blocker. First time to come to Kyrie Irving. Being guarded by Kyrie Irving. 16-10. 16-10. Bisoy pushing the base to Ross.
Kayo, kuya.
Missing it. Gets the head shot.
Like kayo, kaya lang oh. May musta sa kabila yan eh. May musta sa kabila. Tanggalin mo na yung video. Tanggalin mo na yung video. Tanggalin mo na yung video.
Wow, what a pass to Marlon for two.
Marlon, tingin naman dito, Marlon! Ando, go! Artista rin si Marlon? Yes!
Bonus free throw for Kuya Marlon. It's back to Omeng. Omeng
Gusto mo na magpahinga?
Passing to Kuya Bisoy. Kuya Bisoy waiting for his teammates. Being guarded by the blocker. To Ross. Ross to Arnold. Arnold back to Ross for two. Missing it.
Busog pa ako eh.
Pushing the base. Passing to Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving for two.
Meron daw, meron.
Kuya Paeng. Two free throws for Mark.
Ano? Okay. Okay ka lang? Palit ka? Okay ka lang? Stop.
Sub.
Palit din ako. Stop.
First free throw.
Oh, ano ba?
Substitution.
Akala ko basta si Manong.
Ulang pa kayo isa. O yan, di ba na kayo?
For Efren. For the Carson Ballers.
Nakadalawang pa sa error pa lang.
Mario.
Para cute, para cute.
Makita yung puti ng buhok para alam na.
Ano ba? Ano lang sa buhok?
Yari!
Kyrie.
Kapit!
2 points. One shot. 20-12. 8-point lead for Long Beach. Double down. Sabi ni Lakai. Another shot is good. 21-12. Carson Ballers. Bisoy has the ball. Efren. Being guarded by JQ. Joe Quirino.
Yari!
And for 2, missing it. Rebound. Kalawit rebound by Irving. To Mark Eden. Long Beach on the offensive. To JQ. JQ rebound by Efren.
Ay, ang talaga, Julius!
Yari!
Kasama kayo!
Bisoy decided to take a three. Missing it. Rebound by Kyrie. To Marlon. Marlon dribbling. To Mark. Mark being guarded by Ali. Fadeaway shot, missing it. Wow, Ali. For 16.
Dito ka.
2 free throws for Mark. First free throw is good. Switch. 22-12. Second free throw is not good. Rebound by Efren. Efren to Bae. Meron na second half.
Yari!
Three-point shot by Marlon. 25-14. May second half. Ba't mo nilabas si MVP? Guys, 25-14. Last 4 minutes. Efren. That's the ball. Wow. Missing it.
Cabrino,
Outlet pass to Bisoy. Dribbling. Pass. Foul. Kuyatani. 25-14. 25-14. JQ to Ross. Ross for 2. Swish. 25-16. 9-point lead. Long Beach on top. Kuyatani to Marlon. Marlon to Kyrie. Undergoes back. Missing it. Rebound by Ross. Guarded by Marlon. Foul Marlon.
Sub daw si Freddy.
Time. Substitution. Coming back with the game. Coming back in the game. The Carson team in the offensive. Foul. Sinong foul? Omeng? Omeng. Ross to Bisoy. Bisoy guarded by JQ. What a pass by Bisoy to Ross. Ross. What's this? Dirk Nowitzki shot. 2 free throws coming. First free throw for Ross is good. Switch. Second free throw is also good. 26-18, guys. 26-18. 8-point lead. Long Beach shot out. Mangtani being harassed by girlfriend harassing Marlon. Mangtani. Marlon. Marlon guarded by 2 players. Julius. Three. Missing it. Ross has the ball. All by himself. Layup. And it's good, guys. 26-20. Only 6 points. Long Beach on top. Mangtani has the ball. Wow. Being Jules traveling for Julius. Soy being guarded by Julius, guarded by there you go. Manchon, Paeng. Hold the ball, guys. 26-22. 4-point lead, guys. Julius. Omen. Last 13 seconds, guys. Julius. Oops. Stolen by Ross. Foul. Nine.
Nakakain lahat dito.
Alright, second half is coming up, guys. Second half. Official score 26-20. Long Beach Ballers.
Habol sila. First 5 ulit, ha? Maganda yung First 5
Long
ulit.
Beach Ballers on top.
First 5 ulit. Sino ba first 5?
Hindi, lalagay ko sa sasakyan. Hindi naman.
Don't ease up, man. Don't ease up. Don't ease up. Play the same way. Play the same way.
Baga ko naman.
Isa ako na hangin.
Ready? Pisan mo sila mamaya, no? Sila Dado?
Dado.
Yung dating, yung matangkad na naglalaro.
Dado. Anong klase?
Hindi niya kakilala yun. Si Dado, dapat kilala niyan.
Si Dado.
Medyo hadot ko lang.
Kung kinano, si Dro.
Okay, game!
Game! First fight kanina, pasok muna kayo!
Yung dating first fight.
Yung dating first fight, malakas yun.
Yan.
Naghaharas kasi
Go.
Alright!
Ganda ng music, oh. Oh, Marlon. Punta ka na, Marlon.
Saan ka?
Alright, second
Marlon,
half.
pasok!
26-22. Tip in. Tip off.
Pasok, Julius!
Hindi, meron kompleto sila.
Kailangan talaga natin ng team, no?
Edward versus Kyrie.
Here.
For the tip off. Won by Oli.
Makahabol sila.
Silat ka na ito sa gym na eh.
Overpass.
Mas maganda dito.
Ayaw na tayo naglaro!
Third coat!
Ilang pista siya ngayon?
Third coat!
Bigyan mo na sensitive mo na.
Wow. Nice shot by Kyrie. Kyrie for 2. 28-22.
Bawal yung foul!
Soy.
Bola!
Dribbling Waiting for his teammates. What a pass to Edward. Power move, missing it. Kyrie. Kyrie to Mark.
Bola, bola!
Mark to Marlon. Marlon waiting for his teammates. Back to Marlon.
Oh! Lumabas ka agad! Hindi ka pa maglaro.
Waiting for his teammates.
Nasa 50!
Marlon to Mark. Mark for three. Missing it. Carson ball.
Ball, ball, kani!
Akin na naglaro na kayo.
Stay! Last touch! Yellow.
Ang ingay naman ng referee.
Tupaeng.
Nice left ko.
Arnold being guarded by Kyrie.
Taas, taas, taas!
Pass to Paeng for two. Missing it. Rebound by Oli for the Carson Ballers. What a shot.
Bola, bola! Bakit na
Oli for
bola?
the Long Beach team. To Mark. Ethan. Dribbling. To Omeng. Omeng asking for Marlon to come. Marlon has the ball.
Marlon, kaya no! Kitani!
Marlon to Mark Ethan. Fadeaway shot. Missing it. Rebound by Paeng. Paeng. Pass it to Bizoy. Bizoy. Jackie. 3-point shot by Bizoy. Missing it. Marlon. Rebound by Marlon. Offense to Kyrie.
Open,
Kyrie
dabas,
by
Kitani!
Paeng. Whoops. Foul. Paeng. Foul.
Diba yung meron pareho tayo, yung ibang kulay yung ano? Yung ginagamit ko, sinusukot ko sa bahay.
Ah, Biban, Biban! Adyat, adyat!
Nandiyan na si Council Woman, ha?
Ayun, bola, ayun, bola! Lalakad kayo! Para kayo nasa lumeta!
To Oli. Oli to Arnold. Arnold, what a pass to Oli. Missing it though.
Hawak ka bola, hawak bola!
Touchdown.
Tapos, tapos, bola!
Pero pag sumanod ako, sabay.
3 points. 3-point shot.
Kahit na ba ganun, nakatayo lang ako, tapos na ako.
29-25. Long Beach on top. Last 16 seconds.
Ayun o, sa tagiliran!
Oh, Mir.
Pwesto, pwesto!
Ito, Tani.
Ayun! Ayun na!
Tani, kay Tani!
Trying to destroy.
Hey, call time out.
29-27. Kyrie Irving
Time out
dribbling.
ko rin! Time out!
Time out, Long Beach. Time out, Long Beach. 29-27. 2-point lead, guys. Kape daw muna, Donut. Kape.
Bukuhan natin yung lalabas ulit.
Walang bigay ko lang kapag nag-drive, ito nilagay.
Pinabantayan ako sa ilalim, nasa ilalim sila lahat.
Lahat
Kaya masikip
tinitignan
ka
siya.
sa ilalim eh.
Tinitignan na siya sa
Kasi
ilalim.
bago kayo
Dalawa na
gumawa.
yung lagi.
Taas mo kamay mo! Taas mo kamay mo!
Pag pumasok kayo dumiretso, pasok na kasi yung bola kayo ng Tani. Kasi siya nga.
Pag nakalangan sa gitna, drop pass. Oo. Ikaw kung ba't sa gitna, ibabaw, tapos ako sa ilalim.
Hinaharas na kayo, hinaharas na kayo.
Alright, guys.
Where is going?
Players.
No more timeout. No more timeout. No more timeout.
Sobrado? Huh? Yeah, right now. Drop to get up?
Anong oras na?
One turnover. Foul, Paeng. All right, to Kyrie Irving. Turnaround shot, missing it. Rebound by Paeng. To Edward. Edward to Bisoy. Bisoy fired by Mark. One pass to Edward. Edward for two. Go stab. Rebound by Omen to Marlon. Marlon pushing the pace. What a sidestep by Marlon. And for two. Wow. What a move by Marlon. The beast. A la James Harden.
Astista pala yun, astista.
Arnold. Directing plays.
Oh, taas kamay, taas kamay.
Pass it to Paeng for two. His favorite shot. Missing it there. By Kyrie. Kyrie to Mark. Dribbling. Being guarded by Audi. Audi to Omeng. Omeng to Kyrie. Kyrie to Omeng. Omeng to Mangtani. Being guarded by Arnold. And Audi. Shrouding. 3-second shot. 3-second call, guys.
Ano ka pag sinyo 3 seconds? Ayos lang yun. Sinyo na yun, hindi na masyado maka-step. Mga coach! Coach! Taas kamay, taas kamay!
Ball to Paeng. Paeng to Edward. His favorite shot. Oops, timeout. Injury timeout. Injury timeout. Hollywood. Timeout, guys. Injury. Looks like Oli got poked in the eye, guys. Poked in the eye. Substitution. Efren for Oli. Marlon to Omeng. Omeng back to Marlon. Being guarded by Bisoy. Bisoy. Marlon decided to go to the basket. Rebound by Mark Eaton. Mark to Julius. JP back to Mark for three. Missing it. Rebound by Kyrie. Long rebound to JQ. JQ missing it completely. Rebound by Omeng. Rebound by Marlon. Being harassed by three players. Oops. Foul, Efren. Malambot sa taong pumpunan. Mark to Marlon. Back to Mark. To Mark. Wow, look at that. Kyrie versus Edward. To Mark Eden. Guarded by Efren. To Julius. Julius for three. Missing a rebound by Edward. Stolen.
Oh, depensa! Depensa! Depensa!
Kuya Paeng waiting for his teammates. 33-30. Whoops. Swipe by Marlon.
Ikot ah!
Swipe by Marlon. What a move by Kuya Edward.
Eh, Marlon!
to Paeng. Missing it, rebound by Marlon.
Yan, yan!
Switch to. Oh, missing it. Efren. Pisoy all alone by himself. For three. Wow, swish. Tied up, guys. Tied up. Tabla na. 33 up. 33 up. Last 9 minutes. Oops. Almost. Steal by Bisoy, and he got it. Another three. What a pass to Efren. Decided to pull back. Jump shot. Doesn't get rebound by Marlon. Marlon the oops. Being harassed by Efren. Efren to Mark. Mark to Kyrie. Foul. Arnold. 33 up, guys. Tied up. Tied up. 2 shots coming for Kyrie. 9 minutes. First free throw. Not good, guys. Not good. Another free throw. It's good. 34-33. Edward dribbling, the lead by Kyrie. Foul, Kyrie. By Marlon to Arnold. Arnold to Paeng. For 2, and counted. And counted. 35-34, bonus free throw for Paeng to add to the lead. Paeng or missing. That is all the shot. Rebound for 2. Wow, look at that. 4-point play. 37-34, 3-point lead by the Carson Ballers. Julius, missing it. Rebound, long rebound by Kyrie. Foul, Edward. 2 free throws coming.
First shot.
Carson. 37-34.
Good.
All right, good shot. 37-35. Ross back in the game. Back to Ross. Ross to Arnold. Arnold to Bisoy.
Tama yan.
To Bisoy.
Sa labas.
Bisoy guarded by Julius to Ross. Ross for 2. Missing it. Kuya. Edwards, set shot for 2. 39-35. Carson Ballers to down.
Sino gusto pumasok?
Kiklat maglalaro.
Sino gusto pumasok?
Mark to Marlon.
Palaba mga US.
Carson ball. Turn over. Lovich. Arnold. And back to Arnold.
Ilan mo?
Guarded by Marlon. Marlon to Arnold. Arnold. Paeng for 2. Paeng is on fire. 41-35, 6-point lead. Last 5 minutes. Our next game, 50 and above. Rebound by Arnold to Ross. Ross pushing the face. Ross. What a pass. Foul number.
Naglalaro ka ba?
Oh, 50.
Uy, that's good.
Substitution. Edward, first shot is. Yes, rebound. Ross for 2. Ross got his own.
I-check nyo ID mamaya, ha?
Long Beach on the offensive. Pass it to Marlon. Marlon being guarded by Paeng.
Whoa.
What's the goal? 1 and 1.
Ganyan lang yan siya.
1 and 1, guys.
Ano?
1 and 1. 41-35.
Ikaw.
41-35.
Kuya.
2 free throws for Marlon. Rebound by Edward. Edward to Bisoy. Soy for 3. Swish. Wow. MVP. 44-35. Marlon. Kyrie. Pass it to Magdani. Magdani guarded by Arnold. To Marlon. Marlon to Kyrie. Kyrie for 3. Missing. Rebound by Edward. Power rebound by Edward. All by himself. Pass to Ross. Ross fumble. Back to Bisoy. Bisoy for 3. Yari. Missing it. What a pass by Paeng, but Ross missed the undergoal stop. Counted! No count. No penalty. Side ball. Ball.
Para kung si ano? Bongbong. Sa kabila, masakit ka rin na. Sa kabila. Lapit!
24 seconds.
Pressure the ball!
Arnold to Paeng for 2. Wow, look at that. Paeng is on fire. MVP. 46-35. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Interception by Bisoy by himself. Waiting for his teammates. Decided to pull the trigger, but now pass it to Paeng. Paeng to Arnold, killing the time. Ross has it marked by Kyrie. Foul, Kyrie.
Umalis lang ako, tambak na kayo.
1 o'clock.
Ano nangyari?
Okay, Carson. Odi.
Umalis lang ako. Gamang tayo, umalis lang.
Arnold.
Oh, bakit? Nagkakat nyo.
Running time, guys.
Running time.
Paeng to
Umalaw ka, coach!
Ross and Bisoy. Bisoy for 3. Swish! Look at that. 49-35. Looks like
Bata pa yun eh! 49 lang yun!
it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Looks like Carson got this game.
It's just a game.
It's
Ba't di na kayo naglaro,
over, guys.
Bossing?
It's over.
Wala
Okay, it's the game, guys. Thank you very much. Shake hands, guys. Shake hands. That's it. 49-35. Game over.
I can make the
Shake hands. Shake hands. Good game. Long
May lagi sa
Beach.
gilid, hindi nabibigyan.
Good game, Carson.
Alright, line up! Line up!
Alright, left.
Thank you. Ikaw ba lang sa tuhod?
Sa tuhod?
Follow up.
Okay lang yan. Bata pa naman si Bison. Wala pa naman ano yun.
Gago to! Gago to! Line up daw!
All right, so we have Councilwoman here. As you know, she's running for mayor. Am I correct? Of the great city of Long Beach. This way. All right, so
Okay.
let's gather everybody. Let's gather. Let's have a big photo op. Let's make a big photo op. Everybody. Ross, let's go, guys. Ross, over here. Let's get a